Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself where the magnifying glass spawns most often, near the island garage or market. Drive or walk straight to the hotspot you marked on the map and keep one friend nearby to spot extra spawns. Once done, scan common spawn points, behind crates, inside bathrooms, and on roof edges. Make sure to clear the area of NPCs and clutter so items are visible, and be ready to pick up anything shiny immediately. Once you're in the hotspot, focus methodically. Sweep low places like under crates and dumpsters first because the glass often hides there. Then move to higher ground, second floors, and roofs, since improved angles reveal the item silhouette. Make sure to crouch and look along baseboards and against walls. Tight corners hide small objects. If your friend sees it, point and pick up immediately. If nothing appears, change server or revisit after respawn intervals. You finish by grabbing the magnifying glass and checking your inventory slot to ensure it registered. Equip it if the game requires. If the object didn't spawn, relog or switch servers and return. Spawns respawn on a roughly 5 to 10 minute cycle, so patience pays. Make sure to verify game files or clear the cache if items consistently fail to appear. If problems persist, report the bug with location and time so developers can trace the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.